ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯು ಹನೀಶ್, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಹನೀಶ್, how are you?
ನಾನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ರಿತ್ವಿಕಾ, how are you? ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಕಿಯೋನಾ ಹೇಗಿದೀಯಾ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೀಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸಹಸ್ರ ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೀನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೀಯಾ? ವಿಶಿಕಾ ಹೇಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಪುಟ್ಟ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಕಶ್ವಿಕಾ, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ means did you have your ಆಯ್ತು? You have to say ಆಯ್ತಾ as a question. When you say ಆಯ್ತು, it's like yes ma'am I had. Lalit, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು.
Very good. ವೇದಾಂಶ್, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Very good. ರಿತ್ವಿಕಾ, ತಿಂಡಿ
ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕನ್ನಡ.
ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಏಕಾಂಶ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ನೋ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯು
ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೀರಜ್, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹೇಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಮನೇಲಿ. ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ನನಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹನೀಶು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಊಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ರಾವೀಶ್, ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ತಿಂಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ರಾವೀಶ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ. ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರನು ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? A water bottle next to you children.
Yes ma'am.
Yes. ಇದು ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟ್ಲು. ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್. ನೀರು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನೀರಿನ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗ್ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಕುಡಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಎರಡ್ ರೀತಿಯಂತಹ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೂ ಕೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೀಪ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದಂತಹ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕು ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ? ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎರೇಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಶಾರ್ಪ್ನರ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಓಕೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಗುಣಿತ ಅಂತಾನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಎಲ್ರು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? As everybody has everything, don't keep running. Okay. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. Do anybody wants to use the restroom or washroom? I'll give you 30 seconds or 1 minute. You can go and come back. Don't ask me in between. Can I go to washroom? May I go to washroom? No. You all have a break. You have to finish all your personal hygiene work at that time. Okay. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು 3 ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. So we might learn 2 or 3 children. Okay. So from now on we have to go a little quicker because you know the drill of writing the gunitakshara. Correct? You all know to write the gunitakshara, right? So you will be writing it a little quicker. So ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Keep your notebook ready. All of you. ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಡೇಟ್. ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಡೇಟ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ರೈಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ನೇಮ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು. I'm still writing it in English only, children. Maybe after Dasara, once we learned all the Gunitaksharas, I'll teach you to write your own name in Kannada. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ದಿನ ನಾವು 3 ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. So today children we will learn 3 Gunitaksharas. Okay. I will teach you what are they. The first one we are going to learn is related to a letter. Okay. It is related to our swara A. And the second Gunitakshara is related to our swara A.
Ma'am, 2 minutes washroom go to.
ಓಕೆ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಐ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ವರಾಸ್ ಐ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ru, I and au are special letters. They are all the sandhyaksharas.
Ma'am, why do we need to write this?
No, just listen to me. Okay, don't write anything. Listen to me. Listen to me. Okay, so we are not going to write
Good
any.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Caris. You have to join on time, beta. Okay, why are you late today? Caris, why are you late?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I was eating my snacks.
Fine. But have a watchful. Okay, be watchful for the time.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm waiting for Vishika to join me back. Quickly take up your notebook, Caris, and keep it ready. We're going to do the Gunitakshara. Just everybody listen, children. Don't write anything in your book. Don't write anything in your book. I'm going to teach you the 3 Gunitaksharas for today. Now, whenever I take the letter A, okay, so when I take the letter A, we call it as Etwa. Okay, this is the symbol that I use. Okay, so this is Etwa. See, I have a Tala and a Etwa. So we call this as Etwa. Etwa. What do I call, children? I call it as Etwa. Okay, so this is Etwa. How do I write it? Okay, this is called Etwa. What is the next swara? E admel yen barutte? A. See, there is a dheerga, right? So I have to take the same Etwa and I have to put a dheerga to it. So this is the symbol. Okay, so this is called Etwa dheerga. What do I call this as? Etwa dheerga. Okay, so this is A. So you have to remember Etwa. A is Etwa. Okay, and then, so I don't say it as like that. Just a second. So this is Etwa. So how do I write it? So it's like double E. Okay, Etwa. Okay, so I have to put a dheerga there. Etwa. And when I have the letter I call it as Aitwa. What do I call, children? I call it as Aitwa. And what's the symbol I write? See, I write like this and I put it like that. So this is my Aitwa. This is Aitwa. I. Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa. Come on, repeat after me. A idre enanta karitivi? Etwa. A idre Etwa. I idre Aitwa. What do we call? Sahasra, when I have A, what do I call?
Etwa.
Very good. When I have A, what do I call?
Etwa.
Very good. When I have I, what do I call?
Aitwa.
Very good. Can I have Kiona? A iddagen enantavi?
Etwa.
A iddaga?
Etwa.
Etwa. Okay. I iddaga?
Etwa.
Aitwa. Aitwa. Etwa.
Aitwa.
Aitwa. Lalit, tell all the 3 in sequence. Etwa.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Very good. Ritvika. Etwa.
Ma'am. Etwa. Ma'am.
Aitwa.
Aitwa.
Very good.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Sorry, ma'am, for joining late.
No problem, dear. Okay. Hanish, odbeko.
Yes, ma'am.
Odu. Start madu. Etwa. Etwa.
Etwa.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Altwa.
Very good. Ekansh, ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Very good. Dheeraj,
Okay, ma. I'll read.
start reading. Start reading. Etva.
Aitwa.
Etva.
Etwa. Aitwa.
Very good. Andrina.
Aitwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Barnika.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Very good. Sahasra.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Ravish.
Etwa. Aitwa.
Etva. Etva. Aitva.
Etwa. Etwa.
Aitva.
Aitwa.
Kashvika. Very good, Ravish. Kashvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Feroz.
Etwa. 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 Aitwa.
Medhansh.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Rishika. Okay, Vishika, I'll wait for you. Karis.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Etwa. Etwa. Aitwa.
Very
Done,
good.
ma'am.
Children. Very good. So children, we are going to apply the same three things as we are going for our Gunitakshara. Okay. So let me quickly clear this and we're going to start with our first Gunitakshara. It's called Etva. Everybody open your book. Open your book, all of you. So we're going to write the first Gunitaksharas over here. So we're going to start with the symbol Etva. Okay, so ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Feroz, what's the first varga?
Etwa.
No, what is the first varga? Kha varga. So what is the sound, children, that you have to always remember is you have to remember the sound E. Okay, so when I'm taking the same A to the letter K, what is this called? It's called K. Ka etva. Okay, so etva is you write like this and then you put a loop. K. So remember the sound of this letter. This is E. So K. Amele K. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಏತ್ವ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. So we are going to put a etva. What are we putting, children? We are going to put a etva. So remember, we have to put etva. Etva. The symbol is like this. So remember the symbol. This is the symbol and this is the sound of it. So whenever you want to say the sound, you have to put the swara A. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಎ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಸ್ವರ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೆ ಕೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏತ್ವ. ಕೆ ಕೆ ಗೆ ಗೆ ಇದು ಓದುವ ವಿಧಾನ. ವಿಶಿಕಾ, ನಾವು ಏತ್ವವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, we are learning ಏತ್ವ today. So whenever you are applying a sound to any of the k vyanjanas, any of the vyanjanas, you get the a sound of it. So remember the a sound. So how do you read this? Start reading, Vishika. The first line, what I have written?
Ki.
It's ke. Remember the sound. It's e. Ke.
Gay.
Very good. So you have to read it as ge. Okay. What is the
Gay.
very good. Ritvika, what's the next varga, dear? Ka admele ಯಾವ ವರ್ಗ?
Chavarga, ma'am.
Very good. So ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಛೆ ಛೆ ಛೆ.
Che.
ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. The last sound has to be
Ne.
ne ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. See, n and n won't come. Okay, in ka varga and cha varga, those two won't come. So it
Okay, ma'am.
is che. Come on, everybody, write che che. ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ che che. ಜೆ ಇದು ಜೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಜೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜೆ ಮಹಾಪ್ರಾಣ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಇದು ಚೆ ಚೆ ಜೆ ಜೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ತಲಕಟ್ಟು ಅಂಡ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಲೂಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜೆ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಶ್ವಿಕಾ, ಮೂರನೇ ವರ್ಗ ಯಾವುದು? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗ ಏನು? ಠ ವರ್ಗ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ? ಟೆ ಠ ಠ ಢ ಢ ಣ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಏತ್ವ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಟೆ ಟೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಟೆ ಟೆ. ಡಗ್ ಏತ್ವ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೊಡ್ಡ ಡಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಢೇ. Tette, tette. It sounds very funny, but it is how it is pronounced. Tette, deddene. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ ಆಂಡ್ರಿನಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಓದು. ಟೆಟ್ಟೆ ಡೆಡ್ಡೇನೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಫೆರೋಸ್, ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದು. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. Pharaoh, start reading this line. Tette deddene. ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
Ma'am, can I read?
ಯಾರು ಇದು?
Teddene.
Very good. Very good. Varnika, yes, start reading.
Ma'am, can I read?
1 second. 1 second, Sahasra. After Varnika. Varnika, read. Read the line.
Teddene.
Wonderful. Sahasra.
Teddene.
Ekangsh.
Teddene.
Veeraj. Veeraj ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೆಟ್ಟೆ ಡೆಡ್ಡೇನೆ. ಮೇಧಾಂಶ್.
Teddene.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಮೇಧಾಂಶ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು.
Teddene.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಲಲಿತ್ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೆ ಟೆ ಡೆ ಡೆ ನೆ. ಠ ವರ್ಗದ ಏತ್ವದ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
Mommy.
Priscilla, what is the next varga, dear? Tell me the next varga.
Tette.
Okay, ಹೇಳು. ತೆತ್ತೆ.
Tette.
ತೆತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Tedde.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ತೆತ್ತೆ ತೆದ್ದೆ.
Tette.
ನೆ.
Ne.
Wonderful. Very good. Kiona, ಓದು. Read the third varga. Wonderful. Okay. Ritika, read the third varga. Ritvika, Arun.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third varga, dear.
Tatta.
Tette.
Teddene.
Very good. Read the third varga.
Ma'am, I can get one.
Read the cha varga.
Che,
Che, je, je.
yeah.
Che, che,
Ma'am.
che. Read. Look at the board. Look at the board. Okay.
Ma'am,
One second. 1 second. Children, when somebody is getting confused, let me give them a chance. Ritvika, ka varga. I want everybody to be perfect here. Ritvika, no confusions. Read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Read.
Ge.
Good job, dear. Now, Karis, start reading all the 4 vargas.
Yes, ma'am. Ge.
Hmm.
Che. Ne.
Okay.
Ne.
Amele.
Then, ma'am.
Amele. Ashtena. Okay. Aita. Okay. Next, I want Anish. Can you tell me what's the next varga?
Pepe, ne.
Pepe, bebe, me. Very good. So it is pe. Pe. Pe varga baribeku. Elro. Pepe. Pepe. Be. Be. Me. Pepe, bebe, me. Idu etwa. What do we call it? Etwa. Etwa anta karitivi. Vishika, read the per varga.
Pepe, me.
Very good. Read the ter varga. Ter varga. Third line. Tete. De. Amele. Ne. Tete, de, ne. Read the first line. Red color. Ka varga. Ashte. Read the tha varga. Fourth line. Read one more time. Read one more time. Slowly. Tete. De. Ne. Okay, children, don't be in a hurry. Okay, it's not that simple like you say tha 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 na. You can't say te te de de ne. Okay, go slow. Then you will be able to read it. Okay, next let's. Very good. Now, children, let's go to the next. Andrina, let's write now. Okay, children, come on, everybody. Now start writing the Avargiya Vyanjana. So we finished the Vargiya Vyanjana. Now we're going to do the Avargiya Vyanjana. Okay, so year becomes what, children? Year becomes ye. So everyone start writing ye. Ye, etwa, e. R, etwa, re. Year becomes ye, re. Le, la, etwa, le. You have to write it like that. Etwa. You have to say etwa. And when you're pronouncing it, you have to get the A sound. Okay, Karis, what's the next one? Ve. Very good. V, etwa, ve. Prisla, what's the next one? Sh. Yes. So you have to put she. Sh, etwa, she. Adadmele dodda sh makle. The big sh. Okay. I'm going slow. How to read it?
Ma'am, I cannot tell the last line, ma'am. I cannot tell it.
Ye, re, le, we, she. Andrina, listen. It is a, re, we, she, she.
Here is drop down, ma'am.
Okay, pick it up, pick it up. Yara, lava, sha. Ye, re, le, ve, she. Adadmele, sa. Sa, e, twa, se. Ha, e, twa. Ravish, ha, e, twa ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ?
Hey.
Very good. Feroz, la, e, twa ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Le.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Done, ma'am.
1 second, children.
Done, ma'am.
One second. I'm just writing a message. All right.
Done, ma'am.
Everybody completed?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So after this, children,
Done,
we are
ma'am.
going to do etwa. Okay. So what is etwa? After this, the next page, we are going to do etwa. What is etwa, children, and which is the letter that we're going to use? We just use now a. Now we are going to use a. Okay, for that, the symbol is, it will be the same etwa, but you should also put a dheergha to it. Okay, and what is the sound that you're going to be telling? What is the sound you will say? You will say etwa. Okay, earlier one was etwa. Now you will say etwa because there is a dheergha there. Correct? See, there's a dheergha here. So you're going to be telling it as etwa. So what are you going to be saying? Etwa. So there's a dheergha there. Okay, so shall we write that? Are you ready? It's going to be very simple. Okay. Shall I clear everything? Go to the next page, fresh page. We're going to now.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Who's still writing? Bug up quickly. Okay, so it's etwa. Okay, so the sound has to be what? A. You have to say K. A. Okay, so A sound has to come. What do we generally call it as? We call it as a. Wow. Okay, there's a D. What is the symbol, children? What is the symbol I said? So you're going to put the same etwa like this, but you will also put a dheergha like this. Okay? So we're going to use both of them. Ready, everyone? Okay, I'm keeping my board ready. You can also keep your page ready meanwhile. Dheeraj is writing still. So I'm going to keep this ready meanwhile. Okay, ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಖ ವರ್ಗವನ್ನ Varnika will tell. So happy Varnika has learned all of it. Last class she had little confusion, but this class she is super amazing. See, that's why, practice makes you more perfect. So there's okay. If somebody is not getting it, it's okay, children. We will all get it. Yes? Haan, beta. Okay, ready now?
I have the lines for ma'am.
Tell me, Karis.
What are the lines for?
What are the lines? Okay, I'm just writing so that it will look neat. Okay, if you want to put lines, you can. Otherwise, it's okay. Okay, because when I'm writing
Ma'am.
in colors, it's going to be easy for you to identify. That's why. Okay, shall we start, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sahas.
We need to like that lines too.
Not required. Not required. Okay, I am writing it so you will all get an understanding. That's it. You don't have to write it.
Ma'am, I have lines in my notebook.
Then just write with that. Okay. Ready, children? Okay, the first varga is ka varga. Andrina, ready? So we are going to write the first letter K twa. So what you have to do? So there has to be a and a dirgha. K. You have to remember this. K.
How to write this one, ma'am?
How to write this one? It's easy. See, you have to write a letter K. First see here. Okay, so how do you write the letter K? You write it like this, right? But this is Ketva. So you have to put a loop here. So this is K. The previous.
Ma'am.
Now you will put a Dirgha. Okay, so it became.
Like this.
So there's a Dirgha. A. Very good, Sahasra. Correct. So idu K agutte. Correct.
Aito, ma'am.
Correct. Aita. K admele en barutte. What's the next letter, Vishika?
Aito, ma'am.
What's the next letter? K. ಹೌದಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಖೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಖ ಬರೆದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏತ್ವ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅ ದೀರ್ಘ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಖೇ ಖೇ ಓಕೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೆ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಗೆ ಏತ್ವ ಹೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ದೀರ್ಘ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಗೆ. So whenever you see any letter like this, you have to know it is etwa. Aita?
Ge.
Very good. So bigger, very big.
Ge.
Wonderful. Ge.
Ge.
Ah, super. Amele, what is the next varga?
Ge.
Wonderful. Varnika, next one.
Ge.
What's the next?
Che.
Wonderful. Che. J. Dirgha ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ದೀರ್ಘ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay. Che.
J.
Ah, wonderful. Good. Che. J ಹೇಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ನೋಡಿ ಜೆ ಹೀಗ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಈ ತರ ಜ ಬರ್ದು ಇದಕ್ ಒಂದ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೀರ್ಘ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಹೀಗೆ ಚೇ ಜೆ.
One mistake, ma'am. It is correct, ma'am. Only the J.
Show me.
J.
Can't see, Andrina. Come closer.
Ma'am, this one, ma'am.
Kanala putta, you have to come even closer. It's sitting too far. Kanala, you have to come front. Put your book a little bit more closer. I can't see it. Even more closer. Even more. Full, even close to the camera. Ha, correct.
J, ma'am.
Ha, correct. Che. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ what's the next varga, Priscilla? Ta ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೇ. ಸೂಪರ್. ಟೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೇ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡೇ. ನೆ. ಟೆಟ್ಟೆ ಡೆಡ್ಡೇನೆ. It's so funny, no? When you're saying tette deddene. Huh? It's funny. It's nice actually. See, every letter, that's the beauty of the language Hindi, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil. They all have individual letters, children, for every.
It's not Tamil. It's Tamil.
In Tamil, okay, we can say Tamil or we can also say Tamil. It depends upon the accent. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, these languages have particularly every letter for every sound. So when I say te, you can immediately write te. But in English, if I say te, you'll be thinking, should I write ti? Should I write te? Should I write tee? How should I write te? Because there is no such letter. That's why we go with phonetic way of teaching. We learn tricky words.
Ma'am, they. Something's wrong with my
I'm waiting, Kiona. I'm waiting, Kiona. Right, slowly. Take your time.
I have finished, ma'am.
All right. What's the next, Varga? Why is the smiley crying?
I have also finished, ma'am. And can you
Right.
wait for me?
I'll wait. Children, it's so much fun learning Kannada. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹನೀಶ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗ ಯಾವುದು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಕ್ಯಾರಸ್
ಯಾರಸ್ ಬೇಗ ಬರಿಬೇಕು
ಓಕೆ
ಬೇಗ ಬರಿ ಓಕೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಮುಗೀತಾ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಲ್ರು ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮನ್ಸು ಇಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್
Fourth one is
ತೆತ್ತೆ ದೆದ್ದೇನೆ we are doing etwa Andrina if you are saying closer even more closer ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾ ತೆತ್ತೆ ದೆದ್ದೆ ನೋ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡು ಡೇ ನೋಡು ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ the fourth letter is wrong just see you have written day correct erase it and write the fourth letter correctly it is day ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು day
ma'am
ಹಾ ಸಹಸ್ರ
what's the meaning ma'am aitu ma'am
there is no meaning children okay it's just the letter sound there's no meaning as such okay when we have they make meaning the letters they don't make any meaningful okay so it's just the letter sound it is tette ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತೆತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ತೆತ್ತೆ ದೆದ್ದೆ ರಾವಿಶ್ ರೈಟ್ ತೆತ್ತೆ ದೆ ಹಾ ತೆತ್ತೆ ದೆದ್ದೇನೆ when you have words like this see when I have a word like this see this is ne and I have a letter ra so now it makes a meaningful way nera means straight ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗು
ma'am it is correct ma'am
correct
ma'am next peppe bebbe me
ಹಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಗ ಪ ವರ್ಗ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏತ್ವವನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪೆಪ್ಪೆ ಬೆಬ್ಬೆ. ಹೌದು ಎಲ್ರು ನೀವೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಟ್ರೈ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಯು ನೋ ನಾ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಪೆಪ್ಪೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಪ್ರಿಸಿಲಾ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಹಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಹೂಸ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ನೇಮ್
ma'am
ಹಾ ಕಶ್ವಿಕಾ ಟೆಲ್ ಮೀ
third one, the last one wrong.
Which one?
The third one, last one. You do not keep that.
Yeah, I didn't put a Dirgha. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Pepe, Pepe.
Me.
ಹೌದು ಪೆಪ್ಪೆ ಬೆಬ್ಬೆ ಮೆ ನಿಧಾನಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಳೇ ma and you have to put a dirgha that becomes peppe bebbe me. Okay, so I've muted everyone. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಮುಗೀತು. ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಅವರ್ಗೀಯ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳನ್ನ. So how do you write a re way? Yes. Yes. Wonderful. So you write a ya ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ರ ರ ಏತ್ವಾ ರೇ ಲ ಏತ್ವಾ ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಯ ರ ಲ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ವ ಏತ್ವ ನೋಡಿ ದೀರ್ಘನೂ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಏತ್ವ ಜೊತೆ ದೀರ್ಘ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಏತ್ವ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ವೇ ವ ಏತ್ವ ವೇ. ಶ ಏತ್ವ ಶೇ. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಶ ಏತ್ವ ಮಕ್ಳೆ ಶ ಏತ್ವ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಶ ಏತ್ವ ಶೇ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ ಏತ್ವ ಸೇ. ಹ ಏತ್ವ ಹೇ.
I'm going to write the shirt.
Right. And the last one is la etva le. La etva le.
Ma'am, can you wait for me?
I'm waiting dear. So now children, you learned this.
Ma'am, I done it, ma'am.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, wait for me.
I'll wait for you. Now after this, we are also
All is also done. All correct, ma'am.
very good, very good. So what did we do? Etva, etva. Next we are going to do aitva. I. Okay, so this was for today. Okay, so aitva.
Ma'am, I go to washroom.
Please go on.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it become 12:46.
I know. So we are going to do aitva, not now. Okay, next class we will do aitva. Children, you have to write quickly. Okay, I know it's time. I'll wait. We will wait for another 2 minutes and then we will wind up the class. Then you can all go have lunch and do the same in the evening. Okay? 2 more minutes, children. I will wind up. Okay? So whoever has finished writing it, close your books, clean up your desk because it's time and this is the last class for the day. Wind up.
I'm not write the I.
Okay, right.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Do it in the next class. Aitwa, we will.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
I'll wait.
Ma'am, have a nice day.
Thank you, children. Have a wonderful day, all of you. Close.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am.
your children.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
See you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Good day.